Baked sweet and sour pumpkin on red rice. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 325 Fahrenheit. Cut the pumpkin into 5 cm cubes. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Place 1/2 cups of cornstarch in a bowl. Add the pumpkin pieces and coat well. Then place onto a tray. Chop 1 small pineapple into bite-sized pieces. Then add to the baking dish with the pumpkin. Place into a food processor 1/4 cup of vegetable stock. Add 1/2 cup of maple syrup and 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tomato, 1 onion and 1 garlic clove. And puree to a smooth sauce. Pour over the pumpkin and bake for 1 hour. Every 15 minutes so they are easily coated in the sauce. Meanwhile, cook the red rice and thinly slice 1 scallion. To serve, place some of the red rice on a plate, top with sweet and sour pumpkin, then sprinkle with chopped shallots and sesame seeds.